Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva from A to Z. First, create your free Canva account to unlock a world of design possibilities. Once logged in, you'll find an incredibly intuitive dashboard. You can immediately start exploring thousands of professionally designed templates, perfect for any project, whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. It's super easy to get started and find exactly what you need. Now that you've chosen a template, it's time to make it uniquely yours. Canva's powerful editor allows you to easily customize every element. Change colors, select from hundreds of fonts, and swap out images with just a few clicks. You can also upload your own photos, logos, and brand elements to maintain a consistent look. The drag-and-drop functionality makes adjusting and arranging elements incredibly simple and fun. To truly elevate your designs, dive into Canva's extensive content library. You'll find millions of high-quality stock photos, videos, and graphics to enhance your projects. Experiment with various filters and effects to give your images a polished, professional finish. For team projects, Canva offers seamless collaboration features, allowing multiple people to work on the same design simultaneously, making teamwork incredibly efficient and productive. Once your design is perfect, it's time to share it with the world. Canva makes exporting incredibly straightforward. You can download your creations in popular formats such as JPEG, PNG, or PDF, depending on your needs. Share your designs directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, or send them via email. For physical copies, explore the high-quality printing options available right within Canva.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.